Good evening, Professor Crawford. In Chapter 10, J.P. Moreland suggests a number of practical applications for local churches. For this assignment, I will discuss the strengths and the weaknesses of Moreland's ideals, while developing my own thoughts on how to improve the health of the church by renewing a commitment to life of the mind. More generally, do I agree with Moreland's theses regarding the current state of the church, and do I feel that his proposed solutions are plausible and biblical? For the first one, Moreland's ideal is that it's about the summons, that we must overload our understanding of the summon along with our evaluation of what counts as a good one. He suggests a good one includes putting a detailed handout of 2 or 3 pages on regular size paper should be put in our bulletins. Detailed structure of structural notes following this sermon structure to have a reflective for that week. A set of study exercises for the last. Stopping here, I will tell the strengths of these things and the weaknesses is number one, it will help people on what you will be talking about today. Number two, it will be a great life application for this week or for that week. It gives the people study techniques to help them understand what will be going on. Bad things, the weaknesses is that people will be not interested in what you have to say if they ought to see what you're going to speak about, or see the ideals of the message and not like it, not come. He talks further with his readers for them to give when you're given a series of messages. He says to give good books or contemporaries that should be passed out if you're thinking about doing these series of messages. Reading assignments that people read through the week to prepare them to think about what will they be talking about this week. The strengths of this is that first, they will be ready for the message Sunday. Second, this will help them think by themselves and not to depend on others. Negative things about this, or weaknesses about these, would be you give the reading assignments to the people, and after all, they decide not to read them after all. Number two, people would not use their minds to understand the meanings of the scripture or scriptures. The library ideal is another one of his. is a good thing for churches to think about to the benefit everyone at church. Morelands wants people to use and mold their minds to help them think. The library will help people get the right knowledge, and these right here are the strengths that will help them. Now, the weaknesses that most people have in churches for today is that first, there's costs a fortune to do at our church. Second question, where do we put it at? Number 3, why are we doing this? Another one of his is talking about to help. It's good to help with missionaries, but also we need to, here's another thought is that we need to help to get more apologetic people that will know how to defend the faith in the right way. And to do that, we have to help them with finance. So the good thing about that, you will help people along in life to be apologetics, but more than that, if they want to learn more, they may one day want to be a college professor, and that will benefit other minds to think for themselves. But the negative thing about that, or weakness about that, would be that you got your money tied up with missionaries that you don't want to help benefit the other people down the line to help others think about themselves, for themselves. I believe these things are possible and biblical to attempt at any church, but some would disagree with them. People in churches today do need these things if they want to benefit themselves in the church. But they have to ask themselves, these things. Do they need to be thinkers or depend on others or a pastor? God bless and have a blessed night.